Welcome to the Ampere Motorola Moto E40, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere App on this device. First, let's open the Play Store application, and then here in the search pool we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this first application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that we should open the application, click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. Now we can see here the information about the temperature of our device battery. In my case that's 31. Also we can see here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, device voltage, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.